This is Miss Tanya, your hair and scalp restoration practitioner, coming with the second step of the holistic trim for the beard. We're getting ready to conduct my holistic shampoo step. So the first step is to wet the beard with your tap water. Second step is you get your Silk Elements neutralizing shampoo. Now let me tell you why you want to use this shampoo. It is because it has a stripping action. Now you may say, oh, you're gonna damage his beard. You're not supposed to strip his hair. Well, actually you are, because men sweat a lot in their faces. I think more than we sweat in our heads. So all of that sweat just ends up here in the beard, causing the hairs to become covered and coated, which I believe is why the beards become so crunchy. That's the sweat that has dried on the beards that causes that filling to occur. So just like on the head, you want to give it a nice massage. And then you also now want to cleanse the hairs, which is a separate step because you cannot cleanse the hairs with your fingers. They stick together, so it's very difficult to get between them once you add shampoo. So I like to come in with my holistic scalp brush that feels amazing to the scalp, provides a much deeper cleansing, and as you can see, the brush brushes through the hairs, which gives my hair, the hair, a much thorough cleansing. Client, does that feel okay?
That feels amazing. Thank you.
Good. Oops. And now second step is you now want to post cleanse the hair or the beard with your moisture shampoo. Alrighty, so now that I've come in with my moisture shampoo, which is the second step after your neutralizing shampoo, all you want to do is use your scalp brush to distribute the moisture shampoo onto all the hairs. This rebalances the pH of the hair after using a neutralizer. The hair is actually awfully alkaline after using a neutralizer, so your moisture shampoo will help to rebalance the pH, which also helps to soften your hair. Ensure that you distribute the moisture all over the hairs. Look up. All right, and now we're ready to rinse.
I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth.
Final step is post-treating the tap water, which is the final rinse with My Water Beauty solution. I would like for you all to ensure that you use your 2-ounce bottle that I send with every single order as your applicator bottle. If you don't use this 2-ounce bottle, you're gonna over pour out of this bottle, thus using way more than that's necessary. So today I've already pre-filled my 2-ounce applicator bottle, and I'm gonna start by ensuring that the water covers all square inches of the hair area. If you can see how it's running down, and just like the directions say, you then want to rub. Look at the difference in his hair already. Now that we're removing what the tap water left behind on his beard after that rinse. So the function of my water is to remove what the tap water has left behind. Things like rust are in our tap water. Things like lead are in our tap water. These are some of the remnants that I have found to cause the hardness and or brittleness of our hair. By post rinsing with My Water Beauty Solution, you have instantly hydrated the skin, which means you've removed those remnants, which leaves your hair so much softer than when you use tap water by itself. So if you would like more information about my holistic beard trim, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my online masterclasses coming up soon.
I've waited as long as I've lived. Time's up. Come get with yours and what's real. Boot up.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to My Water Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Components that go into that, because if you told me water's going to change it, I wouldn't